¿Qué onda mi gente? ¿Cómo están? Aquí su compa Javier piloteando días una vez más, ahora en el segundo episodio de SHOPeando con Piloteando. Y el día de hoy les voy a presentar un lugarcito que a mucha gente que son propietarios de Broncos, van a salir locos. Y pues ya saben que estamos tratando de hacer estos segmentos, estos episodios donde les presentamos de lugares que ofrecen servicios para off-road. Y pues este es uno de ellos, así es que vamos a ver qué encontramos por este lado. ¡Vámonos! What's up, buddy? Estos perritos no me querían dejar.
Hey, what's happening? How are you?
How's it going, guys?
Good. What are you doing in here?
First of all, here's the mic.
Oh, hello. How are you?
Vince and Mike. How's everything here in the shop?
Very good. We're very busy. We're staying busy with Broncos, which is a four-letter word around here. Ta-da!
Damn! Okay. Okay, well, I can say no.
Cheers. Salud.
Salud, cabrón.
Salud, cabrón.
A huevo. Vamos a hacer un tour aquí con Vince y con Mike para que nos expliquen qué es lo que ofrecen en este shop. Así es que, not even understand what I'm saying, right?
I love it.
I'm saying that you're going to do a tour,
Of
so
course.
you can show us what exactly you be offering for everybody, you know, who has a Bronco or want to be really have something really nice.
All right, first car we have here is a Ford Centurion.
Wow.
Four-door Bronco.
What you guys are doing on this?
Wiring. It came in not shifting, so I found a wiring harness for the transmission that was burnt up. What makes this one unusual is it's diesel.
Oh, this is diesel.
7.3 liter diesel.
Turbocharger kits.
By the way,
Yes.
what is the name here on the shop?
Cannot confirm nor deny.
What?
So Ford didn't like our name, so they want to sue us.
Oh,
So we're trying to get out of said lawsuit and change the name.
Yeah.
so you guys don't have a name?
No name.
No name.
No
Shop.
Mames.
Shop with no name.
No Mames Factory.
We're here in the No Name Factory, so everything is cool. Let's get going with the tour.
Okay, let's go over here.
Hey, Penelope.
All right, so if you walk over here, this is a customer's Ford Raptor. It's got a supercharger. It's got all kinds of extras. Mike can explain.
You guys did this?
No, this
No.
truck was built by Solo Motorsports.
Okay.
And then it's just here for some maintenance and some upgrades.
So we added a cooler to the power steering. We upgraded the rack and pinion. Upgraded the pump,
Yeah.
and then we fixed his stalling issue as well.
What is all the services that you guys do here?
This is bad stuff, huh?
Oh, really?
You like it?
Wow.
Yeah, so basically we do everything from general maintenance on Broncos to what you're looking at
build.
right now.
Kind of clean, man, downstairs.
Yes, yes.
So you paint it?
So basically this comes off, then we wire wheel it all,
Oh, okay.
and then we paint it with steel it. It ranges from
Yeah, of course.
very minimal to very expensive.
Okay.
So it could be anywhere from $2,500 all the way up to $15,000, you know, depending on what you want to spend.
Yeah, of course.
But it can even go up from there. This is Desolates.
Wow, check this out, man. These
Yeah.
are new or what? It's a
I
different.
think so. It's pretty cool though, huh?
They're very cool.
Yeah. And the beams get, oh no, not this one. But this is stronger, you know, this is modified. Yeah. And basically this one here is just starting to be wire wheeled,
Okay.
but you can see like what
Oh.
Chance here has to deal with, because all this is,
Yeah.
right?
Oh, damn.
Yes.
That one was like this?
This is probably one of the worst ones we've seen.
This one.
Yeah,
Oh,
but
yeah.
it's gonna look a lot better when we're done.
Ok, raza, si vieron ahorita, está todo mogoso, está todo muy modecido del otro lado izquierdo que les mostramos, y lo van a dejar tal y como está el otro Bronco de aquel lado que está pintadito y buenísimo. Pero vamos a ver aquí.
I'm just here.
That's halfway through the process. everything's taken off and getting wire wheeled, and then it'll get assembled with brand new parts.
Okay.
It'll look like a brand new Bronco
So
when
you
we're done.
guys have 2 Broncos there.
Yes.
What's up, Lemon? And this guy?
Archie.
So this is, we actually got to pull this truck out like yesterday. Basically we did all the solo parts. So this one has like a solo 4.5 inch over front kit, solo cage, solo links, curry rear ends, all the big stuff. And then it's getting 4.5 inch king shocks and all that stuff. So this part over here, so we've been waiting on machine shop.
I need another beer.
Más cerveza. So
You want to be pedo?
we actually designed this part for that truck to fit a trophy truck shock package. So basically we designed this thing, we've been waiting on the machine shop to make this part for us.
Wow.
So we can basically set this on the frame rails and weld it on, put the shocks on, and send the truck out the door. So
Nice.
been a little bit of process to wait on
Oh, yeah?
laser cutting and machining, but we're right there now.
So, of course, you don't have it already. You have to send it to make it. Every time someone want to have something like, you know?
Well, we made 5 of these
Oh.
because it was going to be an issue.
Okay.
So we only have 1 more for sale.
Oh, okay.
But you can see one kind of installed on this truck.
Ooh. Dude.
You like that?
Ooh, man. Wow. Esto sí está cabrón.
It's a huevo.
A huevo, man. Yeah.
Chingon.
Yeah, you're learning, dude. Chingon. Look at this. Who weld?
Yeah, we weld it here.
You welded here?
Uh-huh.
Very nice, dude.
Thanks.
Ooh. So this is gonna be like a Bronco trophy
Yeah,
Bronco,
yeah, big,
Bronco, whatever,
all the
right?
big parts, yeah. Yeah.
This is a big thing.
So the cage, you see, this is a 4-inch king shock. The cage is designed around 4.5s. So it'll fit the biggest shocks you can put on it. Bigger stuff.
Okay.
Stuff we can't afford.
Yeah.
Look at that. So this is a new type of the links?
Yeah, so that's our design. It's a billet.
Oh, it's your design.
Yeah, billet aluminum trailing arm. Yeah.
And it's more durable or what?
I think it's just more the bling factor, and then
Okay.
you send the parts off to a machine shop to manufacture them, as opposed to us sitting at a welding bench for could be 2 weeks to weld up a set of trailing arms.
Okay.
Yeah, for sure a solid week. It's a lot of welding to weld up a set of trailing arms. So you take out all the welding, and also when you weld stuff, it shrinks and stretches and bends and moves. So it's really hard to keep parts straight. So you don't have to try to keep anything straight with the machine work. And we're here in front of the famous Bronco of the Knott factory. We've used it for many years, and it was time to tear it down for a rebuild. So now that's exactly what
What
we're
are you guys
doing.
gonna be doing on here?
We don't know. My mind changes every week.
Okay.
Mike's been hoarding parts for the last 5 years for this thing, and finally put it all together, and now it's.
And then I sold half of them this week, so I could change my mind again.
So you're selling parts?
I buy them, I sell them, I change my mind.
Mike sells a lot of king shocks, but also he's selling all the used parts off of this.
So
Yeah.
show us, what do you have? I mean, maybe you have it here?
It's a pallet.
It's a pallet
outside.
parts.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I mean, maybe we can show
Yeah.
them, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Some
you
shocks
look at
and
it.
stuff.
Aquí venimos a la parte de atrás, donde chequen ustedes, allá están los Broncos, acá están los Broncos, y allá más Broncos. A huevo.
So here we have trucks waiting for us to work on them. Putting a used kit on it. We're doing an install. These parts that were used came off a truck that we upgraded, so we sold them to another customer.
Okay.
Guy's really happy to have us work on his truck. This one's getting everything Desolate makes and a bunch of maintenance. We'll pretty much do everything to this truck besides paint it.
Okay.
We'll send it to a paint shop to be painted, but it'll be a complete turnkey pre-runner truck when it's done. This truck was bought here in California. We're doing a bunch of work to it that's getting shipped to its owner in Florida.
If someone wanted to look for a Bronco, but you can
Yeah.
find some
Yeah.
Bronco for them? I mean, you have a lot of connections to have good deals, or
I mean,
or
it
you
just
have to-
depends, depends what's available and whatnot. So it's best if maybe someone that wants a Bronco, they might have a budget, come to me and say, hey, I got X amount of dollars,
Okay.
and we'll be like,
Nothing
hey.
that you guys have here are for sale.
Everything's for sale.
Oh, okay. And what about
Lemon?
Lemon's
lemon?
for sale too.
Come on. What about that one?
This is the 2021 Ford Bronco.
That's the replacement for the other one, or what?
No, nothing can replace the other one.
Which one you like better?
Well, I prefer to drive this one on the street much better.
Oh yeah.
This one has air conditioning.
That's the only thing.
And heated seats.
Oh,
It's pretty nice.
be careful with the almorranas,
What's that?
Uh-huh.
hemorrhoids.
Oh.
Oh, with the heat, you know, hot.
Hey.
It's kind of
Ooh, the hemorrhoids.
almorranas.
Yes, we will be careful with that.
Radco.
We had to change that.
Yeah. Of course.
Now it's temporarily the Radco factory.
Radco, nice.
Yep. Mike makes carbon
I'll
fiber.
get one.
Mike's makes carbon fiber fenders for this thing,
Okay.
so he's gonna go grab one right now.
So you can see beautiful carbon fiber parts.
Okay.
And then you can see they just kind of go on here. Thanks, Vince. See how nicely that fits? Just like
Nice.
that. Yeah. They're a little wider than factory ones.
How much it
and
cost? What it cost?
These are $12.99.
$12.99 for those.
Yeah, all four pieces.
So you already have it in stock, or?
Yeah, they're in stock. Yeah.
$1,300, raza. Si los quieren para el Bronco nuevo, ahí está. What?
He just had the mic in my mouth.
Oh, okay.
So we keep an inventory of old Bronco parts. So like
Okay.
if we need anything for a truck we're working on, we got a large inventory of just random stuff.
And people, if they looking for something, probably you guys have it, right?
Yeah, sometimes we have it, yeah. And then you can see this is like all the parts that came off my Bronco. We're gonna sell a lot of this stuff. I'm not sure exactly what yet. That's all hand-built stuff from back in the day. I made all this stuff.
So all this is for sale.
No.
Oh, no.
Some of it will be for sale.
Oh.
I'm not sure what we're keeping because I change my mind every week.
Okay, well.
Yeah, yeah.
So the guy still, he don't know, so we need to wait.
And guess whose this one is?
You.
That's mine. And then Mike's is over here.
Oh. This is the one.
Oh yeah, there's another Bronco.
Oh, yeah. So for another client?
Yeah, yep, another customer. Basically, what we do here, we do everything from an oil change to engine swaps, tranny swaps, rear main seals, all the engine and maintenance you'll ever need, brakes. Simple to the installation of the, we do desolate, solo, we do all their installations on Broncos.
So this has to be like strictly Broncos or trucks, or can be, what about someone in a class one, a kind of racing? No?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know, I'm just asking.
It's under special circumstances, yes.
Okay.
Right? But majority of us our work is Broncos.
Okay.
But like F-150s, F-250s that year, you know,
Okay.
we kind of do that stuff as well. If you have a Toyota Tacoma and you want to put a Camberg kit on it, we do that,
Okay.
you know, but we specialize in Broncos.
Oh,
but we
okay.
can do a lot. We can do basically anything. You just got to contact Mike and see what the wait list it would be to do something like that.
Okay.
And then also Mike sells a lot of King shocks. Every week he goes to King and he loads his Bronco full of shocks, brings those back. So if you guys are looking for shocks,
Any size, anything.
yeah, follow him on Instagram. He posts what he brings back once a week. So,
Okay.
and if you want to order something through him, you can. There's a wait list, and sometimes the wait list gets cut in half if he shows up, you know, with cash. So, if you want King shocks, contact Mike.
Modelo.
Huevo. 1941 yard goat
Wow. Damn.
with a Dugan's engine.
A huevo. Bueno, raza, ya vieron. Aquí están Vince y Mike de Factory. Así lo dejamos, ¿ok? Para todo lo que necesiten relacionados mayormente con los Broncos o los OBS, los F-150, F-250, tráiganos para acá, contáctenos. Aquí está la Instagram, la página de Instagram. You guys only have Instagram, right?
Instagram, yeah.
And a YouTube channel? No?
Yeah, we have YouTube, MF or Factory.
Okay.
Like motherfucker. That's what it is right now.
Yeah, oh yeah, of course.
It's temporary name.
Of course.
Yeah.
Has to be temporary. Ok, ya saben, las páginas están en pantalla, chéquenlos. Y si quieren información, pues ahí nomás les mandan un mensaje por sus redes sociales y los compadres aquí los van a atender. Son buena onda los vatos, también los piratas, pero chingón. Vámonos, recio.